Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through how to use our Rate Choropleth Map, focusing on gun homicide rates for Black men in Georgia. This map shows the geographic disparity of gun violence across the U.S. The darker the shade, the higher the rate of gun violence. For example, here in Georgia, we see an overall rate of 43 per 100,000 for Black non-Hispanic men. Choropleth maps like these use color to indicate how different areas compare in terms of gun violence rates. If the data is available, you can also explore specific demographic groups by race, ethnicity, age, or even city size to understand how these factors influence gun violence trends. To use this map effectively, navigate through the different areas of interest to identify hotspots where gun violence rates are highest. This can help you understand the disparities and where interventions are most needed. Use this data to inform your advocacy efforts. Present these insights to local officials and community leaders to highlight areas that require immediate attention. Explore the data and share these findings. Together, we can work toward reducing gun violence and achieving equity.